Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a special card for Parents Day. Just take an A4 paper and follow the step as shown and you will be able to make a special card for Parents Day. This is actually a pull tab origami card. This is an ideal gift that you can give to your parents this Parents Day. So do try it at home. This is very easy to make. You just have to follow the steps that I have shown here. Now turn over the paper and we can write message here. You can write whatever message you want. I am making some decorations on top and I will also be drawing some balloons at the bottom to make it look more colorful and beautiful. Here I am going to write, Dear Mom and Dad, I feel so blessed to be your child. You both have always been my inspiration and strength. Thank you so much for everything. And finally, I will be writing Happy Parents Day at the bottom. Now you can decorate this using sketch pens, brush pens or whatever material you have. I am highlighting this using fluorescent pen. You can see how beautiful this is looking. I am sure your parents will be very happy. Now coming to the final step, fold as shown and gently press the paper. Now insert the edges as shown. And finally our pull tab origami card is ready. Now write Happy Parents Day here. And write pull at the bottom so that they know where they have to pull the paper. Finally, I am making some small hearts and I am going to make some dots using sketch pens just to make this look more beautiful. Finally, our pull tab origami card is ready. You can make this and gift it to your parents this Parents' Day, and I'm sure they will be very happy. So I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.